The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he don put mouth for US their matter. He don condemn the assassination attempt against the former president of the United States wey be Donald Trump. Yes o, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu come drop speech about the matter, and for inside the speech he come dey yarn say violence no get place for inside democracy. I still bring another interesting information I go share give all of una my correct people. Just like Donald Trump, I wan sama you how Muhammadu Buhari take survive assassination attempt before the 2015 general elections. The former president of the country, Nigeria, he for don kpai too for inside one bomb attack just months before he win the 2015 presidential elections. So sharply my correct people, make us sama you the full details of this informate. The koko be say, as Donald Trump dey drop in speech for inside im campaign rally for Butler, Pennsylvania on Saturday wey be the 13th day of July for inside this year 2024. Now one jaguda person come blow am shot. Sharply Secret Service come do their normal security routine. They come find way carry Donald Trump comot for the place. Meanwhile, the person wey dey blow the shot so im position himself for inside one roof outside the perimeter of the venue. Now the good news be say he no only miss im shot but they still gbab am. The Special Forces sniper they neutralize the bar immediately, and the Federal Bureau of Investigation wey be FBI they don confirm the identity of the person wey knack the shot. His name na Thomas Crooks and he dey 20 years. Now reacting to the incident, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu he can describe the matter as distasteful. He said there should be no room for violence inside democracy. That is to say, anywhere where they practice democracy, they no supposed to practice violence too. The Nigerian president dey yarn this one for inside one short statement wey im post for inside im official account for the popular social media handle wey everybody know as X. And President Bola Ahmed Tinubu he don also condole with the family of the person wey bear RIP on top the matter, and the person na spectator, and he come dey wish those people wey catch injury on top the matter a quick recovery. According to how he take put am for inside im statement, he said the attack on former president Donald Trump is distasteful and e go beyond the pale of democratic norms. Say violence e no get place for inside democracy. Im ex ten d im sympathies to the former president and im dey wish am relief. Im dey also condole with the family of the person wey bear RIP and those people wey dey injured on top the matter. Im dey wish them a quick recovery. He said Nigeria dey stand in solidarity with the United States of America at this time. So that's my correct people. Now the speech wey the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in drop concerning the matter. Now make I yarn you another legit my correct people. You know say when the FBI gbab the person wey knack the shot, no be say im carry anything like voters card or ID card or driver's license wey they go take know im name o. No, im no carry anything like that. Na through im DNA and dem take know im name and where im dey come from. No be small matter o my correct people. You know say the attempt to kpai Donald Trump wey be former United States president na one of the most daring attacks against any world leader. The Republican candidate for the 2024 presidential elections, he don get luck like this o. He don escape RIP and he only suffer minor injuries when one jaguda person wey im name na Thomas Crooks bin knack am shot when he dey drop im speech for inside im campaign rally. And you see this particular attack, e dey serve as reminder of the kind danger wey political leaders dey face around the world, including we country Nigeria, because na nearly 10 years ago for inside the 23rd day of July 2014 na Muhammadu Buhari survive bomb attack wey happen for inside Kaduna just under 1 year before they come elect am as president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And based on reports my correct people, at least 50 people bear RIP for inside that twin bomb blast wey happen while the former military general bin dey travel through the Kawo area of Kaduna State, and he now bin dey road dey go im native wey be Daura for inside Katsina State. The bomb attack happen just 2 hours and 2 kilometers away from where dem still target one Islamic cleric wey be Sheikh Tahiru Bauchi for another bomb attack. And based on reports my correct people, we dey find out say the people wey collect injury during the Muhammadu Buhari incident e plenty pass the people wey collect injury for Donald Trump own. 3 aides and even security men wey dey attached to Muhammadu Buhari during the blast follow for some of the people wey collect injury. Later on, one eyewitness come dey tell tori people say e get one man for inside Sienna car wey don dey follow Buhari convoy and im come drive very close to Buhari bulletproof vehicle before the bomb come explode. Then after the incident, Buhari come drop statement and he sign am by himself. And for inside the statement, he come dey yarn say the incident na assassination attempt. According to how he take drop am for inside im statement, he say him personally dey involved in a clearly targeted bomb attempt along Ali Akulu Road, Kawo, Kaduna at about 2:30 p.m. on the way to Daura. He said the unfortunate event na clearly an assassination attempt wey come from one vehicle wey dey move fast, and the vehicle im bin don try to overtake their security car plenty times, but their escort vehicle dey block am. They come reach the market area of Kawo where im come attempt to take advantage when they don dey slow down, and im come attempt to ram the car, and instantly im come press the bomb wey come destroy all the 3 vehicles wey bin follow for their convoy. And he say unfortunately, when he don come outside from im vehicle now, he come dey say am say many people don bear RIP on top the matter and their body just lie down for ground there. He say the people dem dey innocent, they just dey do their normal daily business. Now they don become victims of mass RIP. He come dey thank God for his mercy, say im come out and nothing happen to am, but 3 of im security staff bin suffer minor injuries, but they don treat them and they don discharge them from hospital. All this one my correct people dey for inside the statement of Muhammadu Buhari himself after the incident. And plenty people come dey believe say the attack na Boko Haram na do am, and Boko Haram na the terrorist group wey Buhari vow say im go defeat when he don become president of the country Nigeria. Even Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, wey be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria at that time, im bin condemn the attack, and according to him, he said the attack was committed by terrorists and enemies of the nation wey dey try to put fear and insecurity for different divisions for inside the country Nigeria. Buhari last come emerge as the flag bearer from the All Progressive Congress wey be APC, and he come defeat Goodluck Ebele Jonathan for inside the 2015 presidential election. So na so the matter be like, my correct people. Anyhow the thing be for body, or if you get contribution about the matter, you are free to drop it inside our comment section. The assassination attempt on Donald Trump, wey be the former president of the United States, e clear. Now e dey let everybody know say no country wey geography people no dey. No country wey no get 1 or 2 challenges, and for inside that 1 or 2 challenges, go see am say insecurity e follow for inside. So my correct people, I go like make we rate our country insecurity on a scale of 1 to 10. Feel free make you drop your answer inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV, and now we dey bring the ogbonge and legitimate information concerning the things wey dey happen for inside this our country Nigeria. So if you go like to receive news like that, feel free make you subscribe to this channel and put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first get the update and you go receive am sharp. And they bring another information for you, my correct people. No go anywhere.